Good morning guys, in front of me is Tecno Spark 10 Pro and let me show you how to add a fingerprint to this device. At first open the settings, then find and select security and pick fingerprint. Draw the unlock pattern at first. If you don't have one yet, you will have to provide it, and then click on add fingerprint. As you can see, fingerprint sensor is located on your power button, so just keep tapping over here till your fingerprint is fully added. But at first, tap on next, and now we can start the configuration. So just keep tapping, and you will be informed once it is done. Tap on finish, and that's it. From now on, you can unlock your device with this fingerprint only. You can also provide the pattern. So that's it, that will be all. Thank you for watching. Please subscribe our channel and leave the thumbs up.